Christmas tree down. Run out na ang sa ubos. Hindi makita, way makita.
I'm not even screaming right now.
You're not screaming.
I'm not even screaming more. I'm facing my fears.
Iwan, saan mo na iwan? You're facing your fears? That's good. Hi, ayaw, don't...
I'm now facing my fears of the dark and now, but you one is not.
Yeah, you want such a scaredy cat.
Oh no! I thought
Chewy?
it was the butterfly.
What you doing, Chewy? What you doing, Chewy?
This kind of made some life for its own so he can hide properly.
Yeah, that's right.
Urut tanong mami. Kung kami umatanong lagi. Patay ba kung sa Bagyo ba niyo si rat-ratan
We left the dogs outside since they have their own shelter anyway in the garage and they're safe. The sky is still gloomy, but at least there's no more rain, just a bit of wind. Nahigda taon na mong tanom. Anak sa tuwa kong bana nga natumba daw iyang motor gabi tungod sa hangin. Pero murag wala ra may garas na aba. Okay raman, di ba? Di lang tingali maklaro. Hala, nawa lagi ilang tent ay tumba sa dilang basketball ring. Urot taon kabuak ilang tanom oh. May gani, wala ra kayo damage ang sakyanan ni Daddy. Ilang tent dara. Naa na deres amo.
Oh, hurot ang kaatok na to Oh, hurot
Hala, bitaw sa. Nagupaw dyan taon ng mga kahoy. Yan, nahawan sa da mga tanom diri sa kilid. Namon ta na yung mga trees. Makita na gud ang pikas bukid oh. Daghan man tanig tanom diri.
Mo din nila ko sa tubig.
Diri re pikas gikan ang kuano hangin.
Ato ato sa konti na abot ito.
Ha? Dara mong atop. Tagak. Taksit. Taksit taw na mga atop. Abi jud na mabuak ning bintana gabi. Basa sad kayo among salog karon. Di lang obvious pero gabaha na dira. Gibili ni namog sarado ang kwarto gabi. Kay mo maning kwarto katong abli ang sa aircon na buslot ba. Na guba ang bintana. Dira ko. Chuy yo.
Katong sala sa unggoy pa.
Rai, Chewy!
Ay!
Kagahig ulo po.
Magmulak
Gara
pag
man
isaw
noon.
noon sa tubig. Sana lagi kabihin ang hindi ko dito. Gabi ko ba? Love shade yun ang makuha.
Chewy ko, Chewy. So, bisag walay suga, dapat on jud ni ang sa altar per me. Okay, so I'll be showing you the current situation of our living room. As you can see, everything was pushed to the other side by the wind. Our glass door, it's missing. It got broken. Everything is wet. Everything is so dirty. Well, it's just overall sad, really. So we're gonna have to do a lot of cleaning today. Hala? Naguba ang suga. Na-stretch siya ang wire. Ang wire na lang today gagunit. All of the magazines are wet. Ay. Kanya ang hinungdan sa tanan. Ang gubaon na door. Nabalik tayo namang coconut tree. See that white thing in the distance? Wait, I'll zoom in. You see that? That used to be the Mama Mary grotto. It used to stand. Well, now it's lying down. More shingles over here. The sun is finally up, so we can now start hanging and drying our clothes and everything else that got wet in the rain. Just like Santa Claus over here. No electricity, so we're gonna have to heat our water the traditional way for the sake of coffee. It is day 2 since Typhoon Odette/Rai hit Cebu, and our devices are now low in battery, so we are currently looking for a motorcycle USB charger. It is also my first time to go out to see the extent of the damage. As you can see, big trees and electric posts are all over the streets. Roads are blocked. There's no signal. We can't send or receive messages or calls. No data. No water. People are everywhere buying flashlights, bread, generators, power banks, insect repellents, solar lights, and everything else solar. But on the brighter side of things, Cebu has very low casualty, so at least there is something to be happy about. So this store just sold the last charger to someone who came just a few minutes before us. So sad.